friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to complete our page number 17 and reading of Unit 2. Unit 2 is about traveling together around the sun. Now before you read, let us learn something new. Open up your books, page number 17. Today we are going to learn about compare and contrast in science. Before we know about its meaning in science, let us first see what compare and contrast means. Compare means to tell how some things are same. Contrast means to tell how they are different. When you read about science, look for the numbers and other informations to decide how things are alike or different. That means when we talk about compare and contrast in science, we look for the numbers and the other information to decide how things they are same or they are different in science. We have a paragraph in this section. That paragraph is about how are Proxima Centauri and the Sun alike and different. First of all, let me tell you what Proxima Centauri is. Proxima Centauri is a small low-mass star present in our galaxy. Now let us read the whole paragraph. Proxima Centauri is the closest star to the Sun. Did you know that the Sun is also a star? They are both in the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun is a yellow dwarf star. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star. Proxima Centauri's diameter is only 1/7 of the Sun's diameter. Now there is a chart mentioned just below this question. Pause this video, reread this paragraph and solve that chart. I have solved this question for you as well. Let us match our answers. First, let us see how Proxima Centauri is different from the Sun. It is a red dwarf star and it is smaller than the Sun. Now let us see how the Sun is different from Proxima Centauri. It is a yellow dwarf star and it is bigger than the Proxima Centauri. Now let us see how they both are alike. They both are stars and they both are in a Milky Way. Now we are going to solve this words in context section. There are some words mentioned that you are going to read out in your reading section. But before that, let us first see the meanings of these words. Bodies. The physical structure including the bones, flesh and organs of a person or an animal. Explore. Travel through an unfamiliar area in order to learn about it. Inner means something which is situated inside of something. Outer, something which is situated outside of something. Now open up your books, page 18 and 19. You have a reading section in that. This unit is about traveling together around the Sun. As it states, you are going to read about how different planets are present around the Sun, how they travel around it. Now your homework is you have to read this whole unit. That's all for today.